Okay, so thank you everyone and good morning all. Thanks for joining Salesforce Developer Group Varanasi, India. So today we will learn in this topic today event the revolutionizing the financial service cloud with the Salesforce Financial Cloud. So let me tell about me. So I'm also user. I'm founder of SFDC Madhukar and 8 times Salesforce certified and 2 years co I'm a Salesforce senior developer in a KBP business solution. My expertise in LWC developer, LWC and REST API integration. So today our speaker is Abhishek Verma. So let me tell you about the Abhishek. Abhishek. So Abhishek is a highly skilled technical leader with the extensive expertise in Salesforce. He currently serves as a technical lead at Silverline, where he is leveraged his 20 times Salesforce certified, including Salesforce certified application and system architect as well to drive the success for his clients. Additionally, Abhishek is a financial service cloud aggregate professional. So this that certificate is included as of now, and also he's a 8 times television mentor. Also, he is the speaking multiple community. So he is a community speaker as well. So let's succeed together. And over to you, Abhishek.
Hey, thank you so much, Ashish, for such a introduction. Just update my Twitter.
Yeah,
It's
actually,
Om
I
Prakash.
tried to find out.
Twitter.
I'm not able to find out your Twitter.
Yeah, no issue, no issue. So, not an issue. Okay, I think we can start. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Hope everyone is doing great. So, quickly, I will start my screen. Just let me know if it is visible to you guys. Able to see?
Yes, yes, able to see now.
Okay, so before I start, I think we have 16 people. So out of 16, how many of you know about the financial service cloud? You can raise hand or you can post into chat, whatever you like. So, okay, okay, I don't think so. Anyone knows, but I think you have heard somewhere, right? Says Salesforce has launched the financial service cloud. So, today's session, we are discussing about the financial service cloud and how it is changing the financial industries. So before we start, first of all, I would like to thank Ashish for inviting me in this group. So if you have not followed this group, you can reach out to our Twitter handle SFDC Varanasi, and you can reach out to LinkedIn using SFDC Group Varanasi Test India. You can also follow Ashish on Madhukar underscore Ashish. So thank you so much, Ashish, for inviting me here. I hope my voice is audible.
Yes, Abhishek is very clear now.
Great, great. Okay, so in today's session, we are before we start the session, Ashish already introduced myself, so I don't want to go over and over there. So we'll move to agenda. So in today's agenda, we will discuss what are the industry challenges we have in financial industry. After that, we will see the introduction of financial service cloud. So I'm not going to say financial service cloud over and over again. I'm going to say as a FSC. So if I say FSC means it's financial service cloud. Okay, so we will see the key features of FSC, then what is omni-channel customer engagement, how data security maintained in the FSC, and how AI is playing role in the FSC. And end of this session, we will see a brief demo about the FSC, and we will end up with the Q&A. So let's get started. So let's consider one scenario about a bank. Every bank in India have some challenges, right? So what are the three challenges majorly a financial industry faces? First one is the competition, second one is the regulation, and third one is the technology. So let's understand what is competition. So if you see 10 years ago or 5 years ago about the financial industry or the banks, you will see very limited bank like SBI, HDFC, ICICI or something others. You don't have so many banks options available to you. But right now, if you see the current scenario, you will see 50 plus banks available in the India. I'm just talking about the India right now. So this kind of competition is increasing day by day with the latest technology. So traditional banks are facing so many issues to catch up with this competition. Another problem always they get related to regulation. What is regulation? Regulation means what? Let's say RBI changed the repo rate. Now, according to that repo rate, every loan amount, every EMI interest rate will be changes. To catch up with these changes, or let's say this notebandi has come in India a few years ago, how to catch up with those regulation? RBI used to launch few new rules for each and every month or quarter. So how they can catch up with their system only. Apart from that, let's come to the technology. So if you see the user interface or the technical part of any bank, you will always feel that this is very outdated. It's like a 90s UI. Uh, they don't have much functionality over there. If you see their mobile app, it's totally weird, full of bugs. They are not utilizing the modern technology. So what FSC do is FSC provide the solution for each and every problem. So now let's understand what is FSC. So Financial Service Cloud is similar kind of product which is launched by Salesforce, similar like just like a Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Experience Cloud. Now Salesforce has their own Financial Service Cloud. When Financial Service Cloud launch, they initially launch for the wealth management. Now they have opened their sub-vertical for wealth management, retail banking, insurance, personal portfolio management. So now each and every quarter, Salesforce Financial Cloud is going into multiple sub-verticals of Financial Service Cloud. And now, if you see about the industry challenge, how Financial Service Cloud is solving those. So we discuss about the competition. Hey guys, if I am running very fast, just let me know. I will slow down myself. So is it okay, Ashish? I'm not going too fast, correct?
Correct, correct. Yes, going fast.
Yeah,
Going
yeah.
fast.
Just pause me if I'm going too fast, because motive is that everyone should understand the FSC, just not listening. Okay.
Correct.
And if you have any question, feel free to stop me, ask the question. Don't worry about anything. Okay. So how financial service is solving the competition? Now, when we see the demo of financial service cloud, when a banker is open a particular user profile, he will see all the details of his person as well as his related family's detail as well. What it will improve? It will improve the efficiency to handle the customer. When you give a good service to a particular customer, he will not going to switch to another bank, and it will also reduce the cost. How if you see the traditional banks, they are using their own server, they are maintaining their server, they have their own technology. Let's they build something on the Java application or any .NET application, so they also increase their cost. But when you use the FSC, you don't have to build anything. All the process related to financial industries already available in the financial service cloud. So you just have to purchase the financial service cloud and start utilizing it. It will reduce the cost. It will reduce the bugs or problems you get in the manual servers. So because of this, the competition will be reduced. They can provide more service to their customer. Coming to the second part about regulation. So all the data, told you that it will be in the singular view. So whatever changes or whatever rules come from the RBI or the higher authority of our Indian government, that can easily catch up in the financial service cloud as well. I'm talking about the repo rate. So here in the FSC, I just need to go to metadata and change the repo rate, and it will be effect to all the customer profiles. So this is how FSC can maintain the regulation. Coming to the third part, technology. So we everyone knows we work in the Salesforce provide the updates in each and every quarter. They improve their sales. They provide the AI capability to each and every cloud. So using this latest technology, bank can provide the faster services to their customers. So this is how financial service cloud solve the three major competition or challenges in the financial industries. Now moving it to next, there's a three vertical I told you. One is wealth and asset management. So what is wealth and asset management? So let's talk about the Ambani, Adanis, and the higher people who has so many wealth, right? So what will they do? They are not going to manage their portfolio by themselves. They will hire a particular organization like a JP Morgan or Deloitte or some other financial institution to manage their portfolio, to manage their financial transaction and everything. So maintaining a person wealth comes into wealth and asset management sector. Few banks also provide the wealth management. So the private banks will come, some registered investment advisor, as I say, JP Morgan, Deloitte, or any others. They can provide also the investment options and advisory. So it will come into the wealth and asset management section. Now come to the banking domain. In banking domain, there is the two thing, B2B and B2C. So B2B is like a business to business, but here it will be like a bank to bank. So like and B2C comes as a bank to customer. So bank to bank is what we do the transaction with the bank, right? But bank also do the transaction within the banks. So if you saw the Harshad Mehta series, you will see the banking transaction was going from one bank to another bank. So that is the classic example of B2B. Another sub verticals comes in the insurance. Everyone we buy the insurance, we do some claim, we purchase the policies. Insurance can be for the person, for the property, for the car, for the bike. So many places insurance you buy. So that subvertical also can be covered in the FSC. So when you install the FSC, by default wealth management and banking comes, but if you want to install the insurance domain, you have to install a managed package of the insurance from the FSC. It is not coming by default, you have to install it in your system. So these are the three subverticals of the FSC. Now let's discuss about the features of FSC. So one of the major features of FSC is financial account. So what is financial account? We are aware about the accounts, right? We have account, contact, opportunity. These are the basic sales cloud objects. So in financial service cloud, we will have the account. So financial service cloud is built top of the sales cloud and the service cloud. So whatever functionality of you say sales cloud and service cloud will come in the FSC also. So here we will have the account. Now what is financial account? Financial account is like a person is going to create a bank account in a bank. Okay, now he is going to purchase a credit card. Now he is going to get some loan from the bank. So whatever process or your different accounts you are opening, it's coming to financial account. So Abhishek Verma will have the financial account as a saving account. If I have my own salary account, then another record of financial account will be created. If I have my credit card, then another financial account will be created. So one person will have multiple financial accounts. So when you go to financial account, you can see all the summary over there, whatever transaction you have made, just like we made transaction daily with the UPI or any ATM transaction that can be stored in the financial account. So this is all about the financial accounts. Another features comes as a milestone. So every person or every business, they will have their own milestone, right? So let's discuss about first the personal milestone. So personal milestone called as the life event. Every person will have life event. They will get birth, they will do some study, they will graduate, they will get the job, they will got the married, and so many things. So whatever you see here in the blue, this indicate that this life event has been happened, and this is something has not been happened. So this is something you can manage by yourself. Just clicking on the new event, you can create a new life event that we will see in the demo how you can create that. So what is the advantage of using the live event? So let's say I am Ambani. Just consider I am Ambani. I am not Ambani. Okay. So I am going to acquire a particular let's say company. Okay, so that milestone will be added into my life event and the business milestone. When I acquire that company will have their employees. So it will create an opportunity for the bank to reach out to their employees and ask, hey, do you want to create a saving salary account with us? So this is how they can manage the lead. and create the opportunity. A person when he got the graduated, he might require uh, he will go for some higher education, right? He might require some loan. So once the graduation milestone completed, bank will reach out to that particular person. Hey, hey, do you want a education loan with us for your higher education? When he uh, get a job, he might need a salary account. Again, bank can reach out. When he relocate from one location to another location, then bank reach out. Hey, do you want to switch your branch from this location to this location? So based on the life event, bank can approach to a particular customer and create the lead and create the more revenue from that. Coming to the business milestone, as I told you that Ambani acquired some particular company, so all the data, all the saving accounts or salary account of their employees also coming into their system or in their bank. Let's say some executive got changed, then that executive will have some shares or their portfolio related to company that can be also transferred. Then it will again create the opportunity to bank to create some lead and create some opportunity from there. If they are releasing some new products, they can also do some promotion or they can get the lead from there as well. So this is how business milestone and life event can increase the revenue using the FSC. Another features comes called as a action plan. So everyone I think applied for some credit card or you say for the loan. So every application will have the set of instruction. First you will apply for the application of credit card. After that your CIBIL score will be checked, your salary will be checked, then one representative will come to your house for the physical verification. They will, then there will be a third party verification, and there is a set of instruction will be there. But this set of instruction can be differ person to person, the type of loan he is applying, and a type of you say the profile he has. So in action plan there is a template available called action plan template. So what bank can do, bank create a action plan template, and after inside that they can create the templates, just like complete the application, and they will give the deadline. So this application should be completed in a 1 day, and it is assigned to whom, and does this step required. So this is how they can create whole template. And whenever a particular person apply for the credit card, this action plan template with attach with his profile, and all the action plan will be created. Now what is the advantage of this? So when I apply for the credit card, I don't know what is the timeline and how early it will going to complete my application. So I will, if I call the bank, hey, what is the status of my application, so easily I can check, sir, your application has been completed, it will require 3 or 4 more days to complete your application. So easily looking at a particular person profile, bank representative give the answer to their customer and they provide the services. So any question on the action template? This is little bit confusing, so I can take a pause on this. Any question? No. Okay, so I hope there is a two scenario. If you understand completely or if you don't understand it. So moving on to next. Hey, I am audible. I think something happens. I don't know. I'm
No,
audible, right?
yes, you're
You can
audible.
see my, yeah, yeah. Okay, so another features of FSC is the goals. So everyone has their goals in mind, their mind, right? They can they want to buy purchase a home, they want to purchase a car, they want to go for the higher education. So all his personal goals can be maintained in the FSC, and bank and the person also can see what are the progress he is making into reaching that particular goal. So what is the advantage for the bank using this goal? So let's say I have a planning to buy a particular house, and I am planning to buy a house in 2025. Right now in 2024, if I see my goals, it's 10% completed. So bank will reach out to me and say, hey, we saw that you are unable to complete your goal. Do you want a home loan from us? So tracking these goals, bank can increase. the leads, and they can increase their revenue as well. So these goals can be visible using the experience cloud to a particular customer as well. So they can also track how much money they have targeted and how much money they have saved so far. Another feature comes as a referral. So we are aware about the leads, right? In the financial service cloud, we don't call leads, we call it as a lead and referrals. So if you see in current banking scenario of our India, you will not see any referral management or any rewards you will get when you refer a some particular person. But using the FSC, bank can create a rewarding experience for their customer using the lead and referrals. So lead and referrals is similar. Just I'm referring Ashish that hey Ashish, this bank is very good. You can create account here and you will get more services. What will happen? Ashish will reach out to bank with my customer code and the referral will be created, and the bank representative, he can also see how many referral he has got assigned, what are the top referral I have made, and how much money I have made from the referral. So this is using the lead and referrals, a bank can create a rewarding experience for their customer, and they can increase their revenues. Another features come as the roll-up summary. So we know about the master detail, right? In master detail, you can create the roll-up summary. But in the lookup relationship, you can't create the roll-up summary. But here in the FSC, you can create roll-up records by the lookups. What are the advantage of that? Because FSC data model is too complicated. Everything cannot be set up into master detail relationship, and all the data, let's say I have my father, I have my mother, and their data also be consolidated into financial service cloud. So for that, financial service cloud or FSC has introduced the record by lookup. Here you can give some rules, and whatever data you want to roll up into particular person accounts, that can be rolled up by the lookup only. So this is the only features available in the FSC. You will not see this in other cloud like a sales cloud or service cloud. You have to write a batch class or a trigger for that. So this is another most important features of FSC. Now FSC comes with the pre-built flows. There is a 50 plus pre-built flows available in the FSC. Just like every bank will have their own process to create a saving account, right? And they might change the sequence. So FSC do a template. It will give you a template to create a financial account like a salary account for a particular person. And if you need it according to banking requirement, you can just create the clone of that flow, change the requirement, change your flow according to requirement, and you can utilize the same. How it will be helpful for bank? It will reduce the cost because the developer don't have to start from the scratch to build a particular flow. Also it will save the time to build a particular application for the bank. So this is how pre-built flow will help a particular bank to increase their growth. Most important feature is OCR, optical character recognition. So if you see the recent banks, or still I went for SBI to create my saving account, and they give me one physical form. I have to write down all my details, everything there, and they take that form. So all the banks will have their own documents available with them that can be uploaded into FSC, and using the OCR, all this data, nobody has to put it manually. They just need to scan this document, and that can be attached to a particular financial account, and all detail will be populated. So it is similar like we used to give in competitive exam. We just tick mark particular answers, OCR sheet. It will upload it to a system, and you will get the result. Similarly, the OCR functionality has been used in the FSC to convert the physical data to digital data in the FSC. This is also reduce the time and the main management and the manpower, so that you don't have to type manually in the FSC everything. You just need to upload your document and all data will be come up into your org. Next is omni-channel customer engagement. So don't get confused with Omni Studio or something. Omni-channel means the singular channel or one channel. So if you see the current functionality or the system of banks, if you open their website, you will see different menu. If you open their apps, you will see different menus. If you go with their chatbot, you will see a different option. This is really confusing and frustrating for the customer to uh, utilize their app. But FSC give a singular omni-channel customer engagement, whether you are using the chatbot, whether you are using the phone banking, social media banking, or customer experience using the experience cloud. All the experience will be same, so customer don't have to remember or getting frustrated that where is how I can check my balance, how I can deactivate or activate my account, because it will provide the omni channel, like a singular engagement for each and every customer. They can easily utilize their application and use more their features. So this is all about the omni channel customer engagement. Next, AI and analytics. So right now AI is in boom, and financial service cloud also have their own AI. It's called Einstein Analytics. So what it will do? So whenever a lead come to financial service cloud, the Einstein Analytics will analyze the particular lead, and it will assign to a particular rep, and also guide a particular rep that hey, this lead has interested in this product, and you can, he has this much of rating, you can suggest him this product. If you want to write a mail, mail will be already available, the template will be available, you just need to click on the send mail, and it will send the follow-up. Also it will create the task automatically. So what it will help, it will reduce the human error, and also it will improve the risk management. It sometimes happens that the person forgot to call a particular person, or he is on the leave. So this can be management automatically by the AI and Einstein Analytics in the financial service cloud. So now we will go to see a demo about the financial service cloud. And this is, I have already logged in into my financial service cloud, and right now I am in the retail banking console application. Here I will see I'm right now in the banking. You can consider me as a bank manager. So here I can see the referral performance of my branch, how much referral I have received so far, and how much revenue we have generated, how many leads we have, how many opportunity, what are the referral assigned to me, and what are the rating of that referral. Referral means the lead, and what are my top referrals. So all the details, when I go to the home page, I can see. And this is what I have not built. This is come with the FSC. You don't have to do anything here. All the scheduler, all the task, I will get it here. So now what we'll go, we will go to a particular account, and we will take the Adam household. So what is household? Household is similar like we have our home, the whole family. In the household, we will have a particular one person, right, who is will be the primary member. Like in our family, our father will be the primary member. So here Rachel Adam is the primary member, and this is called the ARC. It is the relationship map. It will display whole the, you see the data of a particular family, including their financial accounts, their opportunity has been created, what are the related accounts they have, how many, let's say the business they have, is somebody is working on the job, then he's working for which company, that can easily see in this relationship map diagram. And if we go to the relationship into Adams, so Rachel Adam is a person right now, and let's say Richard Adam calls to a particular bank, hey, I want to update my address. So I just click on the address update, and one flow will be open up, and I just update her address. Right now I this yeah, there is a one restriction with the financial service cloud, and if you want to learn the financial service cloud, you need to create a 1 month trial account. You don't have a developer or like a Salesforce we have. So this is kind of limitation we have here. So this account you will get only for 30 days. So for this demo, I just created this account in the morning. That's why this omni channel omni script is not activated. Let's go with the open accounts. Hope it will open up. Yeah, it is not activated. So this flow is already built up. You just need to activate the Omni script and you will see. Now coming to the alerts. So every person might have some alert. Like he missed out some credit card payment. So that alert can be displayed here. So whenever a person open up his account, he can see you. He has missed the credit card payment, and it is this much is due. Now this is the life event I can see here. He got birth on 22nd January, then he got post graduated, so he has graduation and post graduation, and here you can see all the details of his events. Now if we scroll down a little bit, this Rachel Adams, how many accounts? Accounts mean the financial account he has with him. So he has three saving accounts, one credit card, some investment she has made, and some mortgages loan he has. So all the details will we can see here. Now we will click on the super saver. So it will display the detail of a particular account and the transaction with it. And you see here all the transaction to particular account can you can see. You don't have to go to financial account and see the transaction. Just opening up the particular account, you can see all detail in the singular page. And here if you see the interest take, what are the interests of a particular person also will be stored here. And what are the interaction he has made. Interaction means what, if I call to customer care, what the discussion I had with the particular customer will be stored here. So we will see here he has discussed some acquisition options and what are the purpose of this. They want to have some deals with a particular bank, and what are the confidential type, it should be shared publicly or not, will be stored here. And according to their interaction, all the interaction history will be stored here. Now coming into the detail part, you will see all the detail of particular account. Similarly, we see in the Salesforce, Sales Cloud or Service Cloud. Additionally, you can see the summary of a particular account, how what is the total of the financial account he has, and what is the annual income he has, how many total investment he has done, how many deposit. So how this is calculated, this is calculated by roll up by lookup functionality. So this is the utilization of that lookup functionality. Now we will see the goals. So scroll down a little bit. So you can see here. So she's planning to buy some vacation home, and targeted value is 4.5 lakhs, and she has saved 2.8 so far. So bank can reach out to here. Hey, do you want to buy a particular loan from us, or do you want some help from us? So this is the overview of financial service cloud, and let's go here. So this is what we have for financial service cloud. And at last, I also have my own YouTube channel. Its name is Salesforce Shastra. So if you guys has not subscribed, please scan this QR code and subscribe to my channel. In future, like in next 1 or 2 months, I am going to start a financial service cloud series over there. So if you want to learn more about the financial service cloud, you can subscribe to my channel. And so thank you so much for joining this session, Ashish. Over to you. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask.
Yeah, thank you, Abhishek. And Ritesh Tiwari have a question. To company looking for the particular and depth knowledge, can you share some me with the resource? Basically, he wants to how we can take the practice. The financial cloud also provide the developer org, so we can practice and we can learn about more the financial cloud basically.
Yeah. So unfortunately, Salesforce does not provide any developer org. Right now, what you can do, I will share some link, Ashish, with you. You can share in the community. You can register for the financial service cloud account for 30 days. And what you can do, whatever you have learned from there, you can take the backup in your VS Code of all the metadata. And after 30 days, again, this is the restriction. You can create another account with FSC, and upload your metadata from the VS Code. Coming to the learning perspective, there is a if your company, in particular company you are working and they are partnered with the Salesforce, so you will always get a access of partner learning camp. In partner learning camp, Salesforce has given a very good practical course, and the step by step following your instruction. It is not similar like a trailhead. They have totally different. So you can utilize that partner learning camp and learn FSC. Apart from that, I'm going also start to teach the FSC in my channel, so you can take advantage of that. There is some trail mix also available you can use, but I understand there is not much data available. So for now, just check out with your company if they have partner learning camp access. You can utilize that.
Okay, thank you. So Mahendra have questions. So whatever you have show the demo in a screen. So these are the standard UI of the FSC. Yeah, everything is
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah. So if you see, these are the. We will go again to the screen. This is I told you that I have just created this org just a day before our demo. So these are the standard UI which is already built. You just need to click on the edit page and just search for the particular component and just drag and drop it. You don't have to build from the scratch. Everything is already available. You just need to utilize it. If you want to change, you can modify that component as well, just like a flow I was talking about. So So you see this ARC Einstein relationship inside this components is already available. Relationship card. This is also built on the LWC. I just need to drag and drop it here in the particular section, and I just need to utilize it. So this is something to answer your question. Yes, this is the standard UI you can say.
Okay, so thank you so much. So I don't think anyone have any question as of now, but everyone want to more session about their financial cloud. So everyone, if learn more about the financial cloud, so Abhishek have the YouTube channel Sasastra. That one you can subscribe, and then you can learn. He will start the maybe after some day he will start the series, so you can learn more about the financial cloud and hands-on training basically.
Yeah, and in
Okay.
my blog I used to share the certification voucher. So if you want to utilize that, you can check out my blog as well. You can get some certification voucher over there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, everyone. So let's connect more about the financial cloud on with Abhishek on her YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, everyone. So thank you everyone for joining, and thank you Abhishek for getting the time to share your knowledge with us.
Thank you so much for having me. Have a nice day, guys.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.